Hello guys, welcome back. It's day 3 and I'm in half sleep though, but I'm going to visit the museum in this early morning and I will show you the view. It's must a watch. This is the view. And today we have sunlight on the mountains as well as snow. Today it won't snow. The temperature is also rising. It looks so pretty. I went to this hotel. We are going back into our bus and our journey. So we are going to visit a museum first and then we are going to home. Good morning. Good morning. Bye bye, Nakwam this. So let's first put luggage in the bus, then we will go. This was Hotel Swaniti. Look how good it is, and it has very nice view as well. So a must visit, and it is in the center of the Metsya city. It's too cold guys, too cold. My hands are going to freeze soon because I am not wearing gloves at all. So this is the Prithvi of Khao in Pani. I will keep this in near my seat. So we reached the museum and we have brought 3 buses, not the 4. The luggage is in it and some people are still getting ready, but most of them are here to visit the museum. अजून असून स्नो नाही पडत आहे आणि स्नो नाही पडत आहे तर आम्हाला जास्त थंडी वाजते. गुड मॉर्निंग कसं वाटतंय म्युझियमला व्हिजिट करताना? झोपायचं होतं की व्हिजिट करायचं? ओ असं बोलते काय जास्त चॉकलेट भेटले खायला? हा देते. हा पॉकेटमध्ये आहे माझ्या. Tony is in half sleep. Still walk. मग काय घर वाटतंय कसं आहे? So this is museum guys. I don't know what it is written here. I will zoom it out later in editing. This is the view and this is the museum. We all have gathered here. We have paid 7 lari each to visit the museum. There will be some traditional cultural things preserved over here. Yeah, earlier they said it will be 2 lari. Okay, it's another. Here are 2 museums which I have seen on the map. I'm not that sure there are only 2 or not, but there are 2. He is now declaring the names who have paid. Let's enter in the museum. किती छोटासा आहे ते. Mission accomplished. Yes. Let's go. It's very dark inside here. There are many posters like this on the walls. We can't enter this side, but someone is giving information ahead. And this is something preserved things which they used in the ancient time. Look at the shoes. Then the spoons made up of wooden. Everything is made up of steel and wooden. Like their curvatures, whatever it is. Sculpture, art, you can see. Whoever there is the artist, they will find it good and interesting. तर काय असं सांगू तिथे असं सांगू तिथे याच्यामध्ये गवत्याचं घरटक भेटतं अंडी घातली असं सांगते ते अंडी घातली आहे. तू बघितलेलं का असं माझं म्हणणं आहे रे. खरंच मी गाईडचं काम करू शकते. येस.
There used to be a lot of snow, and that, as you know, it is very heavy. So it used to protect the buildings from falling apart. And yeah, they used to make food here, kachapuri or kubdari or and anything. And those were the chests where they used to keep food and all. This was the house of the Mikhail Kiriani, who was a very famous Georgian climber. This last family who lived here was the Mikhail Kirianis. Yeah. Do you understand now? Yes.
This is the one who was climber and explored and made this, and this is the one who stayed here after him. You can see the family who lived here. Right. Very nice. The museum. Like this is the museum of 2 floors. and you can see this view. I will show you. There are windows, many rooms. You build the 2 floors. And downstairs there is cooking over here, and over there I didn't visit it. I will show you. Nice. Lived here. I can't imagine living here. There is something upstairs as well. See, these pictures are kept here. Maybe he was sleeping here. There is no echo, and he has built so many floors. Like wow, they are very strong. Let's go. I will show you guys. I'm not going to walk upstairs though. Are you going to go? I don't know this is safe or not, but he has built very nicely.
Sir.
It just said don't go to the roof.
There is this small space from where we have to come up. Are you good?
Yeah, good.
He has built very nicely. This is the view. Very nice. I loved it. And there are many same.
Just one stick there.
So this one is smaller. That one is 7 floors.
7 floors.
Yeah, it was there in Swanee Meds here.
Near
Swanee the hotel.
5 minutes.
And it was just like a stick as a ladder, and we had to climb that up.
You did it?
Yeah, we both
7
did.
floors.
And then we went on top of this, so we shifted this out, and then we sat on top.
I
It
don't
was
know.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't know if you were supposed to, but we did anyways.
It was nice.
But we can see it's
Nice experience you had, guys. Nice.
That's why when we saw this, I'm like, wait, it's just it should be similar. There should be a ladder over here as well.
Oh.
And there was.
stuff we saw at the castle. It was same as
Yeah,
the
yeah.
one we saw here.
It's the same setup in nature.
Nice. You guys are explorers. I climbed it here. I was scared that what if I fall, but it is too strong, guys. 2 people were climbing at the same time. It was not at all shivering and all. And he's counting me twice. Ignore. And there are also paintings. Like wow, I loved it. The museum worth it. Earlier I thought it's not, but it is. So you guys are like experienced one.
बहुत फट रही है सोनिया full daredevil
Yeah.
करने वाली है
Don't say like that.
Touch wood. Make sure to watch your step all the way.
How?
तिकडचा पाय टाक पहिल्यांदा
Yeah,
इथं.
yeah. Put your legs there.
This is strong enough?
या
Yeah, just. You know what? You should come from this angle and use both your hands and put your leg on that step over. You stay up. Careful. Yeah. Careful. Yep, you cross the difficult part.
I just give this one.
हे बाबा
Take one step. Put both your legs on one step at a time.
We also have the ropes and all over here, so we can climb. Not I. Others, they used to do it. Not me. I'm not going to show you by climbing at all.
हा ना आता ब्लॉक करतोय म्हणलं दाखवलंच पाहिजे.
Yes. Let's go down. Brilliant, man. The respect is high. Wait, what are they showing actually? Oh, okay. No worries. Okay. And there are a lot of photos and materials which he used. Man has my respect. Oh, is it? I love every human. I respect people of all nationalities. The most important thing is that one has to be a kind man, a real man. That's nice. Oh, he explored Russian language. I have seen this part where there are a lot of things preserved. Actually, the attraction of the tourist to show everything, because everyone can't climb upstairs, but I did, and that was nice how he built it. It's very strong and nice too. Let's see. Next to it. And we can enter. Here is his jacket, bed, many paintings and maps, many photos, and all. Football. Many things are preserved, conserved. Yeah, I'm not that good painter, but I liked it. We got new knowledge that तो कुठे कुठे गेलेला? इटालियन, फ्रान्स, स्पेन.
फ्रान्स हो
नाही.
फ्रान्सला नाही स्पेनला गेलेला.
Okay, from there he would have brought this football, as our guide is saying.
सांगी होते फुटबॉलर होता म्हणून.
Might be, we don't know.
गिफ्ट भेटले.
Oh, gifted. It's nothing, it's nothing.
ना जा ना.
इथनंच दाखवते, दाखव. I will show you, there is just a terrace and there are no view, so I'm not going over there. Everyone are resting. And my roommate is only resting. हे बघ, आता
अच्छा खासा मेहनत करके बनाया था
झालं. इथे का बसलेस? Oh, there's something else to explore as well. जाऊ शकतो का?
आपण होती ना.
Oh,
तिथूनच खाली होतं.
okay. So we are going back now because vans are down there because the space is very small. And today the weather is good, but I don't know why I'm feeling so cold because of air, I think. But it's sunny today. These are the guides managing everything. Bye bye Swaniti. We are going back to Tbilisi. Passing through Gudori. It feels so good to watch it. We were on our return journey and we got stuck again in the snow. And also driver is smiling like this was going to happen. Plus is like this.
हाँ एक लड़की ना आकांक्षा वो उसके पास जाना भाई ये कंप्लेंट ब्रो
भाई गाइड तू है हमारा हम उसके पास क्यों जाए
गाइड ब्रो GY
पॉइंट तो है बात में पॉइंट तो है.
क्या पॉइंट
पॉइंट तो है भाई
इस चीज का पॉइंट
50% तो रिफंड बनता है हमारा.
बस इतना ही
100% ही देना चाहिए वैसे.
सोने की में भीख मांगनी पड़ेगी फिर AWD वालों को.
पूरा लाल हो जाएगा अपना ड्राइवर.
ये बहुत लाल है बेचारा ये वो हंसे चुद गए
वो तो पुल पे भी चले गए.
Because there is a lot of snow and here is mountain. And we are stuck.
भाई बहुत देर
Like he is clearing the snow.
भाई बेचारे ने उसने
तो हंसतोच है.
यार तेरा
वापस दबाना
भाई खोल ही नहीं रहा है. It won't open because of snow. डोर उघडला आणि मी स्नो मध्ये असं वाटतंय मला. बघितलं गप ना आम्ही नाही घेते तो व्ह्यू तू घेतेस तू. Here we are repeating the same scene, rescuing our van out of the snow, and this time both the van are stuck. Like first that van, and then he couldn't recognize it and it stuck again. And they are going to do it again. Fuck. Sarak. Our van is stuck, and here is the river going on, and there is the bridge. How? Me pan. The van is stuck, and now they're trying to pull the van from JCB. By the help of it, let's see what happens.
जेसीबीने खड्डा खोदण्याच्या ऐवजी दुसरं काम करताना बघतोय.
नाही तर-
काय
ए ह्याला सांग ना मधल्याला सरकायला, तिथं काय उभा आहे तो.
त्याला पण द्या.
ये now the first one is done. Now it's time for second. Yeah, it's an adventure. I'm shivering here. What an adventure.
थंडीच वाजते काय तुम्हाला?
खरंच खूप थंडी आहे ब्रो. तुला असं वाटतं नाही
वाटत नाही मला थंडी.
हाय हाय मगासपेक्षा जास्त आहे
ते
आता.
नका खिडकी ओपन केलेली ड्रायव्हरनं, फॉग झालेला म्हणून.
पाहायला पण खूप थंडी असते. चल. And again repeating the same steps. सरक सरक. अगं ग ग ग.
सही में भैंस हो गजब ही चूती है भाई. कौन झाला
आई झोलीच भाई. नाही 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 खड्डा होता ना ते. ये फायनली. It's done early, guys. Right. We had a solution very quickly. I thought we would have to wait for long hours, but due to JCB, thanks to JCB. थांबला थांबला. अरे थांब ना, तो आता येईल ना. ते कोण आहे? I don't know. पचका झालं दोघांनी टाळा वाजवला.
इधर भी रोक बहन चोद.
Actually, their car is their van is also stuck. They are discussing something. What to do, how to do. This van is stuck here. There is JCB.
काय मस्त काढली गाडी.
चला ऍक्च्युली काय ऍक्च्युली काय केव मध्ये ना स्नो जे आहे मेल्ट होऊन तिथे खाली पडते सनरेजमुळे. सो ते थोडं ब्लॉक असतं आणि थोडं बर्फाचे लोक काढतात. सो आम्हाला सगळ्यांना उतरावं लागलं. सो वॅन कॅन गो फॉरवर्ड अँड देन वी विल गो अगेन अँड सिट इन बस. It's very cold today than yesterday. Whenever there is snow, it's there is one bus whose tire came out. So they are going to change now, and we came back. This is our bus. So actually what happened, the bus was going like a normal bus. It was just going down the slope, but the tire came off suddenly, and she was the one who saw it first, but they didn't believe anyone, and now we are stuck. So what do you think, how much time we have to wait here?
Maybe like an hour, 1 hour and a half.
And how much time you are waiting, like from how much time?
Since like 30 minutes, half an hour. Don't worry. The tire gave up on us.
So we all bus are here together
तू नव्हती
to
बसलीस, बरं
help,
झालं
and
त्याच्यामध्ये.
our driver have some some things to repair fix the tire. So let's see how it goes. It's too expensive, guys, to travel in the snow. Don't come with private cars.
जो प्लान था वो तो किया नहीं
George and I was best to drive in snow. The tires all are best, but something can go wrong. Let's wait. Anyways, we don't have any work to do at home. What do you want to say?
समजा तू असते तर त्या गाडीमध्ये
Nothing. I would have helped.
कधीच थांबलं असती बस
Should I start?
नो यू शुड
We're going to change the tire. We have to wait for here for 1 hour and it's very cold.
One eternity later.
इट्स डन ऑलमोस्ट
Finally, झालं. So it's going to take a lot of time to reach Tbilisi.
स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय विभा
आपण कुठे थांबलोय?
जुगा की कास्ट काय तर नाव असतेच काय करा झेडवर
Okay, so whatever it is, I will ask it later. I don't know, something there is named with Z. We are waiting here, and we were scared that we would be clearing the cave or not. So we have cleared it. Like, if we stuck over there, then we are stuck. Now we are waiting in the McDonald's. I wanted to match. I got this.
स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय विभा देविका
टेक्निकल आणि आता आम्ही घरी जातोय. दॅट्स इट. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. बाय. हे आलंय बघ व्हिडिओमध्ये.